Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to rotate an object. So as example, I will insert objects. I will go to the library browser and then use the user catalog. So I will insert this object, chair. I will insert in it. Now if you want to rotate these objects, you can go to selection tools. And then you can select the objects. Now you can move the cursor into this triangle icon, click, hold, and then you can rotate the objects. Okay, you can select again the objects, and if you want to move, you can select, hold, and then you can move into another area, like into here. Or if you want to rotate, you can click this triangle icon, hold, and then you can rotate the object. Okay, that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to rotate an object. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.